Hello, Jace Perry here. If you've got no online income right now, this is exactly what I would do to make my first $1,000 online. You see, when people look to make money online, they tend to overcomplicate it. You don't need a fancy website, products, you don't even need much time. What I do is just one simple thing. I find a customer that's got money and is actively spending, and then I offer them a product that they want. Minimum amount of friction. If you think in the least friction way of doing this, you had someone sitting next to you right now that had bundles of cash in their pocket, you had a product in your hand that they wanted, you give it to them, they give you the money, thanks mate, deal done. So very low friction. The way I do this is with Amazon, because they got loads of people buying loads of products with loads of money, and the product I choose is AI books, because they're very simple to do and in high demand. Now you don't need writing skills to do books. You don't even need design skills anymore, because thanks to AI, most of my students here that have reached $1,000 recently, none of them have wrote a book. None of them have designed a book. They've used AI. They're all busy. I think all these guys are parents. They've all got full-time jobs, yet they're still managing to make money online. And the reason they could do that is because the buck stops here. They only deal with this side, the AI books. Amazon have the website. Amazon deal with the printing and delivery. They fulfill the order. People trust Amazon. Amazon deal with the customers. Any complaints, any messages, we stay completely anonymous. So that's the way we're able to do it. So if you fail to make money online, it's not because you're not any good or that you're lacking any skills. It's probably because you just overcomplicated it. If you want a simple step-by-step on how to produce your first AI book today, I'll leave a link below. And it's been awesome having you here. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.